here in Vegas finding out what someone would do if money is no object. Let's find out. Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
What would you do as a career if money was no object?
Same thing I'm doing.
What is that?
Managing Domino's.
We got a Domino's owner. I like you. All right, we got a Domino's owner, business owner. That's good.
Pro triathlete. It'd probably burn as much money as you possibly could.
So if money is no object, that's all you're doing is triathlons all day, every day?
Oh, it's a good way to be like a race tourist. Just go to all sorts of places, see people, enjoy the day.
Congratulations.
Celebrate fitness.
I would do absolutely nothing. I would go to my cottage, enjoy my cottage, make that better,
Okay.
and live my own life and enjoy it.
Okay.
I don't know, my answer's still the same that I tell them every day. I'd rather have a job where I can help people.
As a career, but I need a career? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
Think about it. It's incredible. A lot of people don't know what they would do if they had a lot of money. Keep this in mind because overall, in my personal opinion, this is a pandemic. This is the real pandemic.
Probably be a teacher.
Are you a teacher now?
No. I would be a psychologist for drug addiction.
I'm gonna be honest, I would probably stay home with the kids. If I was a billionaire already,
Yeah, billionaire.
I would stay home.
I'll be a pediatric nurse.
What are you doing right now?
I'm in nursing school.
You're doing it!
I
You're
am.
going towards the goal!
I am.
That's phenomenal.
I don't think I would have any career. The reason why I'm here looking for a career is so I can make money. And,
What do you do?
yeah, that's a very good question. That's a good question. Yeah, what would I be doing though? Maybe spending the money? You feel me?
Artist. 100%.
What kind?
Contemporary abstract artist.
I think that's fantastic. What type of art do you specialize in?
Three-dimensional ink collages.
yeah, I do counseling.
Yeah.
And then I also probably do some psychological research.
Yeah,
psychology,
but $1 billion in the bank, you're still doing this. This is what you love.
Absolutely. There would, like, if I had ultimate money, I would go for my PhD in ophthalmology and neuropsychology and teach that in university.
I can be a music teacher. So
You play music?
yeah,
What kind?
opera.
Leiste Frieden meine Lieder durch die Nacht zu dir.
My God, that's incredible! Oh, phenomenal!
Spending all the money.
He's spending all of it. You're broke. He's broke. He's broke.
Hey, instead of making $1 billion, we're gonna turn that shit to 4-5 billion. You feel me?
Okay. How?
Investment, stocks, investing it, bro. My cousin.
Oh, you're already broke. I'm not listening to you. You already spent all of your money.
Hey, I'm gonna stay working no matter what. I'm not gonna stop.
Where you work right now?
I do security. I'm on my way to owning my own company.
Okay, so you go work currently security?
Yes. I will still work at every company I own. I will own multiple companies. I'm not
like
gonna
that.
stop at one.
Listen to this guy, the quiet guy, the bearded guy. He's ready to go.
Vacation, enjoying time, having a great time with the family,
Just travel.
traveling. If you, honestly, I feel like that's the best thing in life. If you can travel and go everywhere in the world, can't beat that, man.
So we have travel full time. That word has come up a lot in all of our interviews, travel. Now think through, as you ponder what you would do with all the money in the world, where are you traveling? How do you get there? How often do you travel? How do you fly there? How long do you stay there? What do you eat there? These are things to think about because that consciousness, that awareness is important in your aspect. Let's do one more interview.
Nothing. I just go on holiday, vacation,
Travel a lot?
travel,
Yeah.
see the world.
I would probably walk dogs for life.
You love dogs?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. They didn't know. Most people don't know. I love them. They're phenomenal human beings, but most people don't know. They don't have true clarity. They don't have true power. They don't have true purpose. We need that purpose. We need that clarity. We need that power. We need that conviction to really change our life for the better, to push us forward, to make massive, radical, and incredible change in our life?
If I had $1 billion, what would I do as a career?
Yeah, so you have
I
all the
would
money
be a
in the
cook.
world. Really?
Mhm.
What are you cooking for? Tell me.
Everybody.
I'll be in
Anybody.
the weed industry, and I'm put all that in her food.
Infused.
Boom.
Oh, wow. There's not a sales pitch, don't worry. If money is no object, you have all the money in the world, what do you do as a career?
I have no idea. So
Team, most people have no idea. They haven't thought about it. They haven't planned it. If you're talking about a pandemic, if you're talking about a real problem, it's the fact that most people have no idea what they would do with a lot of money. They haven't sat down and they haven't done the most important thing, think and grow rich. That first part hasn't happened to most of the individuals here. But not you. You're here on my YouTube channel, you're watching this, and we're growing together. You rock.